Hi everyone, welcome back to David's tutorial again. And in this video, let me show you how to play and download the Fortnite on any iOS mobile devices.
So in order to install Fortnite on your iPad or iOS is that you want to first download this one right here. So on your browser, you want to search in the epicgames.com, then tap on the install button on the top right corner on your screen to download the app. Next is you want to press OK when the Marketplace installation message appears. Note that by default, the device does not allow web installation from Epic Games. So you want to go to settings in order to allow that. You want to go to tap allow marketplace from Epic Games, then tap allow to confirm. You want to return to your browser to continue the installation, then tap install, then install app marketplace, then tap and confirm, then proceed with the installation of our app marketplace. From here, you can go to your home screen when you will find Epic Games Store after it will install. So after that, you want to click on and open the Epic Games, then select Fortnite to install the app and download it on your phone. That is all.